Welcome back to Leena's Flavours. Today we will see the recipe of egg biryani. Biryani is basically flavorful, fragrant rice dish cooked with aromatic biryani spices. There are various styles of cooking traditional biryani, but today I am going to show you simple homemade style biryani recipe. This item is perfect for any party or special occasion. Let's start. Here are the ingredients. I've taken 1.5 cup of basmati rice, 4 to 5 boiled eggs, then 1/4 cup of yogurt, 1 onion chopped, 1 tomato chopped. Now let's check the spices. Half teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. This is biryani masala. I've taken 1.5 tablespoon. Then for the whole spices, I've taken cinnamon sticks, cardamom, cloves and black peppercorns, 2 to 3 bay leaves, ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon, salt to taste. And here I've taken 2 teaspoon of oil, 2 to 3 green chilli slit, some coriander leaves, some mint leaves, 2 tablespoon of ghee or butter, and for garnishing I've taken some cashew nuts roasted. These are the fried onions. I've fried it until crisp and golden brown, and this is a pinch of saffron I've mixed in a warm milk. In a non-stick pan, I'm going to add a tablespoon of oil, add red chilli powder, garam masala, pinch of salt, and now we are going to roast the boiled eggs just for about 2 minutes. In a boiling water, I'm going to add the whole spices, cinnamon stick, 2 to 3 cardamoms, some cloves and black peppercorns, and 2 bay leaves. Also some salt. And now I'm going to add the rice. I've soaked this rice for about 20 to 25 minutes. And let's cook it for about 10 to 12 minutes. After 10 minutes, the rice is cooked about 80%, you can see. Now let's drain the water from it and keep it aside. Now we are preparing a biryani masala. So to start with, I'm adding ghee and all the whole spices, bay leaf, cinnamon stick, black peppercorn, cloves. Saute it. Now add green chilies and ginger garlic paste and saute it for a minute. Now I am adding a cumin seeds and onion. Saute and cook it for 2 minutes. Onions have become soft and golden brown. Now let's add tomatoes and saute it. Onion and tomatoes are cooked well. Now let's add all the spices. Turmeric powder, red chilli powder, garam masala, coriander powder and biryani masala and some salt. Mix it and cook it for 2 minutes. Our mixture is cooked well. Now let's add some curd. Mix it. Also add some mint leaves. Let's add some coriander leaves. Mix it well and let's cook it for another 5 to 6 minutes. To enhance the flavor, let's add some fried onions in the masala. Your masala is becoming too dry, then add little bit of water to adjust it. So after 5 minutes, masala is cooked well. Now we'll add boiled eggs to it. Just give a mix and cook it for another 2 minutes. Egg masala is ready. Now lower the flame and let's give the layer of rice on top of it. Now let's add some fried onions, some mint leaves, some coriander leaves, cashew nuts, also milk and saffron mixture. To keep the biryani moist, let's add ghee on top of it. Sprinkle some biryani masala on top to add more flavors. So after 10 minutes, the biryani is cooked well and very nice aroma is coming out of it. It's ready to be served. Our egg biryani is ready. This dish is very flavorful and aromatic, I must say. Please give a try and share your feedback with me. And if you enjoy my today's recipe, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, Facebook and Instagram. See you soon. Bye bye.